Okay, so this was supposed to be the Starrling, and I got the seeds from Bear, and I believe they were straight from Kang, and but he tells me they grow up, not down like this. They still grow in clusters, kind of like the Starscream, and I think it's the weather I've had. They were shriveling up with any color, like whatever turned red, it was shriveling up. Not so much for the other two plants. These these didn't get the shriveling pods as much as the other ones. Some falling. I need to pick them, but they're obviously not falling from being too ripe. Probably just the heat. And yeah, the one in the bed here did much better, but it was wilting quite a bit, and the pods were just drying up. I mean, I had sun scald on a lot of other stuff, but these were drying up. I couldn't get one with red that wouldn't dry up. And the other difference why we're not sure if there's Starrling, because the Starrling is supposed to have no heat, and these do have heat. Yeah, they have heat. Kind of, on Thai pepper level, and this could very well be a Thai cross. Oh, I don't know what. Right, definitely enough for hiccups, but still a tasty pepper. Wow, it has a good sting of heat, a nice fruity flavor.